Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to do some more modifications in this proctl project. So the first thing that I'm going to do, as you can see here, that I'm currently present in the invited.go file. So I will rename this file and I will also rename this invitespace.go file. And the commands that are present inside these files, I will also change them. Alright, so now let's first of all rename this file like check instead of writing inviting. So basically it will make it easy for me to check that whether the user is invited or not. If I write the invited, then it will be difficult for me to guess. So now let's write this, select this invited and press Ctrl D, and now you can see that all the invited commands are selected. So I will change them like check instead of writing invited. All right, and after that let's change this name from check to invited again. So basically this is not a command, this is just a message, and the message is this: specify an email address to check that you are invited or not. All right, so this is the command, this is not a command, this is only a message, and I have renamed it again by using the invited. And after that all the check messages are updated. So now this is done, and let's go to the invitespace.go file, and I will rename this file also by writing what you can say mem invite mem, like this, invite mem. Alright, now let's remove this invite space and then Ctrl D and write invite mem like this. So now all the commands are done, and after that, once they are done, what I will do, I will go to the member directory and I will create two more files, and these files will be relevant to the roles and the departments that the user want to select. So let's write cobra add what you can say, the name of the file would be like mem roles like this, mem roles. And now let's write cobra add mem depths or departments, that I have just renamed it simply, so depths. All right, so now copy this file and move it into the member directory like this. Now you can see that all the two files are now moved. So what I will do, as you can see that they are giving me error, so first of all I will open them one by one, and now let's leave this one, mem depths and mem roles. So this set member is not going to be updated, so this will remain as the same, but the problem is in these two files because the package should be updated, and after that the error will be resolved. So let's write first of all delete these comments and write, instead of writing cmd, I will write the member, because as you can see here that if I open the check file, this is the member package that was already written. So I need to make it member to resolve this error, and it is giving me the error again. So what I will do, I will write the cmd.root. So this root.cmd file is going to be called, and this file is present inside here. As you can see, if I show you, this is the root.go file. So I have called this, and by calling this will not give me an error. So but it is still giving me an error. Why? Because I need to make some updates here in this file also. So let's remove this package and write member. Now you can see that it will be removed. So let's remove this comments and write cmd root like this. So now all the errors are gone from here because I have just updated the package and the root cmd by giving the cmd dot, and after that the root cmd was called. All right, so now the errors are gone. So let's save them, and after that let's remove this long description. I have to remove these comments also from here, so let's write remove them, and let's remove the long description, and I will just write what you can say, show the roles of a member. And similarly I will write remove this long description, show the departments of a member like this. So now they are done. After that, what I need to do, I need to go to the check.go file, and inside this file, as you can see, but let's go to the invite mem because this will be fine. All right, so what I will do, I will first of all copy this login token, and once it is copied I will paste it here like this, and after that let's copy this if statement also to check that whether the user is logged in or not. If the user is logged in, then in that case the user can give the role and the departments, otherwise he will not be able to do these things. All right, so I need to make sure these things. So let's remove this if statement because I don't need it. All right, so I will work on this if statement functionality more because I want to check that whether the user is logged in, the admin is logged in or the member is logged in. So both of these things should be differentiated. So I will work on this functionality in the upcoming videos, but for now you just need to keep this in mind that the member or the user, anything should be logged in. All right, so yeah. And after that, when I will create other videos, I will make sure that if the member is logged in, then only that member can work on the departments and the roles. And if the admin is logged in, then he will be given some other, the rights to do these things. All right. So let's write roles, and inside these roles, I will write. These are the rules that I have already written here, so just to make the process easy, so I will write string, and inside this string I will give 4 roles like business owner, team leader, team member and freelancer. So I will give 4 roles, and after that let's write what you can say print line following are the roles like this. And once they are done, I will write the index. So the index is used for showing that how many rows are present, and it will count them 1, 2, 3, 4, one by one, like the index number. After that, let's write 4 values and then the range rows. And let's write fmt printf d and then the s. So the first one will be the index and the second one will be the value. So the values are these things: business owner, team leader, team member, freelancer. So they will be printed one by one in a new line. In every new line they will be printed. And after that the index is 1. It will start from 1 and it will be plus index plus plus. So they will be added 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will show you the process that how it will be done. So let's make it work. So I hope this will work fine and it will not give me an error. But one thing I need to do is to give the else message also. So let's write it like this, else message. So yeah, first login to show the roles of the member. Show the roles of a member. Yes. Now it is working fine. So after that, let's copy these credentials to make the process easy and go to the depths and write it like this. So now they will work fine. And what I need to do, I will just change the the departments. So yeah, and all the things will be the same. And after that, let's write here are 12 departments. So now they are 12 and they will not give me an error. After that, let's write departments instead of writing roles. All right, show the departments of a member. So now let's go install. And now this time, if I show you proctl, mem roles. As you can see, that following are the roles. If I show you the depths, following are the roles, but it should be departments. I have to write this like this, departments, because this is the thing that I have forgotten. So as you can see here, that this is the index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the departments, and these are the roles that are printed in every new line. All right, so this was the thing that I was talking about. All right, so I hope you understood. And now what I need to do, I need to, as you can see, that I'm currently logged in. The veins is logged in. So let's say if I'm log out, then this process will not work. Let me just show you. proctl mem depths, As you can see, the first login to show the departments of a member. So I need to log in order to show the departments or the roles of a member. So I will work on this login functionality in the upcoming videos to differentiate the member from the admin. So I'm just trying to show you that how you can print the roles and member, and in these roles and members will be used further, in which you will assign the roles or the departments to the members so that they can work on that department or the role only. All right, so let's write git add commit what you can say added the roles and departments, what you can say departments in the departments. All right, so let's write git push origin master. Sorry, I need to rename this like the master. All right, so now they are done. Let's update this. 57, 58. Added the roles and departments. All right, so I hope you liked it and understand it. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.